Today, I'll walk you through how to reconcile a bank transaction in Xero, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to match your transactions so you can keep your financial records accurate and up to date. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to sign into your Xero account. Think of this as unlocking the door to your financial hub. Once you're in, head to the top menu. This is like your control panel. Click on Accounting and then select Bank Accounts. This will bring you to a list of all your bank accounts linked with Xero. Now open the bank account that contains the transaction you want to reconcile. Imagine this as picking the right file from a cabinet. Next, go to the Reconcile tab. Here, you'll see a list of unreconciled transactions waiting for your attention. Take a moment to review the bank transaction and compare it with the suggested match. It's like checking a puzzle piece to see if it fits. If the details align and everything looks correct, click Reconcile. This simple action will match the transaction, and Xero will automatically update your account, marking the transaction as reconciled. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Xero is designed to be intuitive, and it's totally normal if this takes a moment. You can repeat this process for any remaining transactions that need to be matched. Each time you reconcile, you're tidying up your financial records, ensuring everything is in its rightful place. That's how to reconcile a bank transaction in Xero. By following these steps, you can maintain a clear and accurate financial overview. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.